after nito, magagamit mo kaagad para matulungan ka on whatever challenges that you have. It's designed to help you take the first steps. Not necessarily na magbabago kaagad yung buhay mo. At least, may mga tools kang pwedeng gamitin kung meron kang certain challenge in your life. The first tool that I want to teach you is submodalities. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng submodalities? Think about a memory in your mind. Di ba yung memory mo merong pictures, merong sounds, merong feelings, di ba? Or minsan may nagsasalita pa sa utak mo. Did you know na pag meron kang babaguhin sa mga nai-imagine mo na images or memories or pictures in your mind, it's enough to give you a big shift. Hindi mawawala yung challenge mo, but at the same time, yung emotions or negative emotions na nakakabit sa iniisip mo, nawawala siya. Let's play a game. This is what we call VK dissociation. What you do is, think about your current struggle right now. Na yung medyo light lang, huwag niyo masyadong mabigat. Kasi if mga mabibigat na struggles, you can reach out to me. I can help you with that one. Pero yung pang everyday lang, no, yung medyo not a traumatic experience, but yung certain challenge in your life right now. What you do, you think about that, you close your eyes, nakikita mo ba yung struggle mo? Can you visualize your struggle right now in your mind? Then what I want you to do is that when you're visualizing the struggle, I want you to change the color. Gawin mo siyang black and white. Then what you do next is tanggalin mo yung mga sounds. Then after that, imaginein mo na lumalabas ka sa picture na yun, nakikita mo yung sarili mo, and then as fast as you can, palitin mo and push mo sobrang layo. Then parang ganyan lang kabilis, i-lock mo siya, then open your eyes. Kumain ka na ba? Ano yung ulam mo kanina? So, right now, think about that struggle that you were thinking earlier. Feel mo with that struggle ngayon. Di ba parang gumaan siya? Hindi nawala yung struggle mo, hindi nawala yung problema mo, pero this time around, nakakapag-isip ka ng tama. Hindi ka, kumbaga, napaparalyze ng current challenge or struggle mo. That's the power of submodalities. Learning submodalities will give you tools and techniques para matulungan mo yung sarili mo. Hindi yung parang wala ka nang magawa dyan, iyak ka ng iyak, para kang napaparalyze kasi ang tindi-tindi ng problema mo. So imagine, what would happen if mas marami kang tools that you can use to your advantage? Anong mangyayari sa buhay mo? Isang tool lang yan. Did you know that when you learn submodalities, you can also change your belief system? Kung meron kang mga negative beliefs na sinasabotahe mo yung sarili mo, you're not good enough, hanggang dito na lang ako, mahirap yung pera, kaya nating baguhin yan with submodalities. There are different techniques that you can learn when you learn submodalities, how to capitalize it and use it to your advantage. That's why every time na may struggle ka, hindi ka parang kawawa. You know how to overcome that struggle and think clearly so that you can move forward in your life and achieve your goals faster.